Christina Foster here, Law of Attraction Coach and Beauty Boss. And today I want to talk about getting rid of your negative beliefs about money. And the reason is I had talked about your relationship with money on my last video, where I spoke about things happening in your past that may have shaped the way you think of and feel about money. So in order to get rid of the negative feelings, you have to look at the event in the past that shaped your thinking and visualize yourself on a movie screen in that situation. Then you will take that and put it into the corner of the movie screen and visualize yourself the situation changing, whereas it comes out the way you wanted it to come out. And then it will slowly push the smaller picture of the old way of thinking out of the way or off the screen. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, check out my stories, and download my free booklet.